Dear students, in today's class, let us solve one problem on reapportionment of overheads under simultaneous equations method. This is the problem. Here there are three production departments. They are called as P1, P2 and P3. See, the total overheads as per primary distribution summary is already calculated and given in this problem. And the service department's overheads as per primary distribution is, there are two service departments, one is A, another one is B. So the service department's total overheads as per primary distribution is A 4500 and B 2000. And later it is already specifically stated in the problem that the company decided to charge the overheads on the basis of the following percentages. See, the company decided to charge the overheads on the basis of the following percentages. See, P1, P2, P3, service department A and service department B. See, the production departments are named as P1, P2, P3. There are three production departments. And service departments are named as A and B. These two are service departments because it's already given in this particular problem that these are three production departments and these are three service departments. See, service department here is taken as X, or we can also say it as A and this is B. This is very important thing. So it is shared on the ratio of 40, 30, 20 and 10. 30, 30, 20, 20 dash. So these are two service departments. We have named it as X and Y and they are actually A and B. See, find out the overheads under simultaneous equations methods. So here these two departments are actually taken as department X is A and department Y is B. This is very important. Department X is nothing but A and department Y is known as B. Find out the overheads under simultaneous equations method. So how do you solve this particular problem under simultaneous equations method? Let service department A is equal to X. We have already taken it as X. And let the service department B, which is actually known as Y. This is very important thing. We have to solve the two simultaneous equations. X is equal to, X is service department A is equal to A plus BY and Y is equal to A plus BX. So this is very important thing. See here, first we have to go to the service department X, which is actually A. A is already 4500 rupees. It is already given here. 4500 we have to take. Plus, what is the share of service department B in the overheads? That's very important things to be taken into consideration. Here, the share of service department A related to B is actually 20%. So that 20% we have to take it here. That means 4500 is already there for service department A. In addition to that, this department has to take 20% of the overheads of department Y. That's why it is told as A plus BY. This 4500 is already there. In addition to that, this department X has to take 20% of Y. I have written it here. 20 divided by 100, 20% of y it has to take. This is equation number 1. Similarly, service department B, which is denoted as y, is equal to 2000, which is already there. In addition to that, it has to take the 10% of the overheads of department X. So 2000 is already there. In addition to that, this department Y has to take the 10% of the overheads of department X. So that's very important thing. So A plus BX. A is equal to 2000 plus 10% of Y it has to take. That's very important thing. See, which is actually known as B, department B. So 10x, here the equation is x is equal to a plus bx, y is equal to a plus bx. X is equal to a plus by, y is equal to a plus bx. See now, let us try to convert it into the equation form. X is equal to 4500 plus 20 divided by 100 is 0.20 or 0.2y. This is equation number 1. So 4500, 20 divided by 100 is equal to 0.2. Y I have written it like this only. So this has become 4500 plus 0.2y. This is one. Second one, y is equal to 2000 plus 10 divided by 100 is 0.10x. Repeat, 2000 plus 10 divided by 100, 0.10x. Now, if you want to go for further simplification, multiply both the equations by 10. I have multiplied both the equations by 10. So, 4500 plus 0.2y into 10, 2000 plus 0.10x into 10. So, I have multiplied. It's very important thing. See now, 10 into x, 10x, 4500 into 10, 45,000, 0.2 into 10 is equal to 2y. So this is one equation. 10x is equal to 45,000 plus 2y. This is the first equation. Similarly, we have to multiply this equation also by 10. Y is equal to 2000 plus 0.10x. 0.10x. If you multiply that, 10 into y, 10y is equal to 2000 into 10, 20,000 plus x into, what is that? 0.10x into 10 is equal to 1x, or you can write it as only x. Again, you have to arrange it properly and you must multiply the second equation by 10. This is very important thing. I have arranged this LHS to RHS. 10x. I have brought this 2y this side. This has become minus 2y. And 45,000 I have taken that side. Similarly, I have brought this x, 10x this side. Okay. Plus 100y. That's very important thing. So 10x plus 100y is equal to, I have taken this 20,000 that side, that is 20,000. See now, by adding both the equations, you get 10x plus 10x minus 10x cancelled. 100y plus 100y minus 2y is equal to 98y. This is very important point. So, plus 100y minus 2y is equal to 98y is equal to 2,45,000. 2 lakh plus 45,000 by adding this equation, both the equations, 98y is equal to 2,45,000. 10x will get cancelled with minus 10x. Now, y is equal to 2,45,000 divided by 98 is equal to 2500. This is the value of y. First we have found out the value of y. Now you can take any equation and substitute the value of y in any equation for that matter. See, I have taken the first equation, 10x minus 2y is equal to 45,000. 10x minus 2y is equal to 45,000. So 10x minus 2, in place of y, I will write 2,500. I will write 2,500 is equal to 45,000. Then 10x is equal to 45,000 plus 5,000, that is equal to 50,000. 10x is equal to 50,000. Then x is equal to 50,000 divided by 10 is equal to 5,000. We have found out the value of both y and x. X is equal to 5,000 and y is equal to 2,500. After that, we have to prepare the secondary distribution table. So you take the expenses of only production departments in this table, and as per primary distribution it is given. So P1 is equal to 6,300 and P2 is equal to 7,400 and P3 is equal to 2,800. First you take the total overheads as per primary distribution. So as per primary distribution it is given in the problem. P1 is equal to 6,300, P2 is equal to 7,400 and P3 is 2,800. Then you take the overheads of department A, which we have denoted it as X. See here, X was 5,000 rupees. X was only 5,000. In this 5,000, you take only 90% because 10% will go to department B. So the total overheads are 40 plus 30 plus 20 is equal to 90%. You take what is the 90% of 5,000? 5,000 into 90% is equal to 4,500. 4,500. So this 10% you should not take. Take only 40 plus 30 plus 20. Put it together, it will become 90%. 90% of 5,000 is 4,500. Then you distribute this 4,500 in this ratio. 40, 30, 20. 40 is to 30 is to 20 or 4 is to 3 is to 2. 4 is to 3 is to 2. So if you distribute 4,500 in this ratio, 4 is to 3 is to 2, you get 4,500, that is 4 by 9. 4 by 9 of 4,500 is 2,000 and 3 by 9 of 4,500 is 1,500 and 2 by 9 of 4,500 is 1,000 rupees. Again I repeat, see what is the X in this particular problem. X is department A. See, department A, X we have denoted 5,000 rupees. You take only 90% of 5,000. 90% of 5,000 is only 4,500. Distribute it in the ratio of this. Ratio, please note this. 40 is to 30 is to 20. Don't take percentages. Ratio 4 is to 3 is to 2. So 4,500 if you distribute, 4,500 into 4 by 9, 4,500 into 3 by 9, 4,500 into 2 by 9. That is 2,000, 1,500 and 1,000. Similarly, you come to department B, which is denoted as Y. See, department Y was 2,500. You take only 80% of this. Forget about the service department. You take only 30 plus 30 plus 20 is equal to 80. 30 plus 30 plus 20 is equal to 80. See, what is the 80% of 2500? 2500, 80% was, that is 2000 rupees. 80% of 2500 is 2000. Then you share it in the ratio of 30 is to 30 is to 20, or 3 is to 3 is to 2. If you share 2000 rupees in the ratio of 3 is to 3 is to 2, you get 750, 750, 500. Please understand, this is 2500 into 80% is equal to 2000. That 2000 you have to share it in the ratio of 3 is to 3 is to 2. It is nothing but 3 by 8, 3 by 8 and 2 by 8. 3 by 8 you get 750, 3 by 8 you get again 750, and 2 by 8 again you get 500. Then you total all the columns, you will get the total orders. So 6300 plus 2000 plus 750 is equal to 9050. 7400 plus 1500 plus 750, 9650. And P3, 2800 plus 1000 plus 500 is equal to 4500. So this is the secondary distribution. In today's class, we learnt how to solve the problem on simultaneous equations, or how to calculate the total overheads under simultaneous equations method. So that I have already told you. Let the service department is equal to X, service department is equal to B, and you have to take two equations, X is equal to A plus BY and Y is equal to A plus BX. Take the total overheads of the X, 4500, plus what is the share of department A in the overheads of B. So that is 20%. 20%, go to this column, 20Y divided by 100. And similarly, 2000 plus 10x divided by 100, and you arrange accordingly. And here can cancel 10x minus 10x, and by adding both the equations you get 98y is equal to 2,45,000. 2,45,000 divided by 98, 2,500. Substitute the value of y in any equation. 10x minus 2y is equal to 45,000. 10x minus 2 into 2,500 is equal to 45,000. 10x is equal to 45,000 plus 5,000, you get 5,000. That 5,000 you take the percentages. 90% you take, share it in the ratio of 4 is to 3 is to 2. That we have done it here. And similarly, department B, you have to share it in the ratio of 3 is to 3 is to 2. We have done it 750, 750, 500. Totally, the total is 9050. P2 is 9650, and P3 is equal to 4500. Accordingly, we will have to total.